That wasn't real.
What?
That wasn't real. Who cares?
Don't say that. Please don't say that. It was real. It was real to me. You are my mother. You were my real mother. The closest thing I ever had to one. The best part of my life was fake. And none of you told me. You have done nothing but tell me how bored you were. I was the chore, the job you didn't want to do. To me, you were everything. He takes more every day. Children who don't have anyone to protect them. Just like us when we were small. Maybe 1 in 20 survives the training, becomes a widow, the rest he kills. To him, we are just things. Weapons with no face that he can just throw away. Because there is always more. And those agents you chemically subjugated around the globe? That was me. Where did you think I was all this time?
I thought that you got out and were living a normal life.
I only ever loved you girls. I did my best to make sure you would succeed, to achieve your fullest potential, and everything worked out.
Everything worked out?
Yes! We accomplished our mission in Ohio.
Yelena, you went on to become the greatest child assassin the world has ever known. No one can match your efficiency, your ruthlessness.
I've never had control over my own life before, and now I do. I want to do things. Pain and suffering is every day, and we are both still a trained killer. Except I'm not the one that's on the cover of a magazine. I'm not the killer that little girls call their hero.
Don't do it! This was fun! No!
It's time.